Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today me MVS from the Ghost Brothers is gonna show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro on your PC for free. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first you gotta download the file, the zip file from the link given in the description down below. I'm gonna download it because I've already downloaded it. So let's just go to the file explorer window, and over here you gotta right click on it and click on extract here. Just click on extract here, and you'll get a new file named Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's just click on the file Adobe Premiere Pro over there. Now you don't need to do any of the above 4 files. Just ignore them, but just keep them, don't delete them. Now just click on setup, click yes when the option comes, and let's wait for it to load now. Now click continue. Don't make any changes in this thing. Just click on continue, and I'm not gonna click on continue because I've already downloaded just done the setup before itself in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So just click on continue and click on close when it's done. I'm gonna click on quit right now because I've already downloaded, as I said. Let's just click on quit over here now. And let me just show you the proof that that Adobe Premiere Pro is actually works. Just trust me, guys. It actually works. As you can see, it has opened right here. Let's just click on file over there. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, let's just click on file. Now click on project. Let's just make a new project over here and click on OK. I'm gonna click on yes because I'd already made some projects in this. So guys, as you can see, so it is actually working. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, just subscribe right now, because the next video is also going to be an Adobe app video. As you can see in my taskbar, there are some Adobe apps. So yeah, goodbye, stay at home. Until then, goodbye, stay at home, and peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.